prosecutors in their work to ensure the rights granted to victims, survivors of victims, and witnesses of crimes are protected. This is a good bill, and this should happen. But the reason I want to bring this up and read it is because of the bottom of these. There's always a pro, con, or other statement from people that support or don't support or supposedly neutral position. And I've talked about some of these people from the Washington Defenders Association who are against any victims' rights type stuff, or anything about locking criminals up. So this other supposedly neutral statement, this is from Jonathan Nauman-Cure, Columbia Legal Services. This bill should be more equitable. It may come into conflict with the constitutional right to a speedy trial. Who's that for? That's for the criminal, folks. This bill will weaken that right. It may allow individuals who are not a party to a criminal case to push the court to move the trial date because it conflicts with their plans. Oh, I'm so sorry, criminal, you have to wait for your trial. This bill may create a conflict with current criminal court rules. There is presumption of release for every defendant not in a capital case. This may change that. Safety concerns of alleged victim is already determined with bail. Well, that's not true. That's not really true. I worked in bail bonds for 16 years. That's definitely not really true. So this guy, just the typical defense attorney a-hole, codifying an alleged victim's safety for bail determination serves little purpose aside from providing additional fodder for prosecutors to use in bail hearings. This language would be another tool used to further encage black and brown people. Are you effing kidding me, guy? These attorneys, these dirtbag freaking defense attorneys, them and these Democrats in the state who it's all about criminal rights. They don't care about you as a victim. They don't care if your property was stolen, damaged, if you were assaulted, injured, killed. They don't care about any of that. They don't care if your kids are molested or sexually abused by these people. They want to turn them loose. They want them out in the community. We see it time and time again on the news where you've got these people with 40, 50, 60, 70 effing felonies who are back on the street for God knows why. To hurt you, to continue to cause chaos. And then in the meantime, they tie the hands of prosecutors, jails, and law enforcement of doing their job. They tie the hands. They make sure these people can't be locked up because they're worried about racial justice and some other bullshit social stuff. The fact remains that a crime was committed and there needs to be appropriate punishment for said crime. We're tired of dealing with these dirtbags on the street and nothing being done about it. And these idiot lawyers like Jonathan Nauman-Cure from Columbia Legal Services and David Turtweiler of Washington Defenders Association supporting BS bills like this that just hurt people, or going against bills like this that would protect victims for once. Alleged victim, alleged victim. Are you tired of this yet? Are you tired of these criminals having all the rights, all the defense? Are you tired of tweakers and druggies stealing your stuff, breaking into your homes so they can support their drug habit that's fully supported by the state, allowed by the state? Are you tired of these homeless people moving onto your property and there's nothing you can do about it? You pay all the taxes. You pay for all this crap. But you have no rights. They don't even want you to be able to defend yourself. They're trying to take that away too, as hard as they can. This is a bill that should definitely be passed. Thanks for listening to Left Coast News. For more, visit leftcoastnews.net. Please subscribe, like, and share to your social media. We appreciate your support.